Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I am fine. And you?
Yeah, I'm absolutely ecstatic. Thank you so much for asking to me. May I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Suraj Kumar.
Wow, that's good. So, Surajji, what do you do?
Yeah, so I am pursuing BA second year, second year. And I want to learn English.
That's good.
Yeah, so
Okay.
yeah, I have been learning English for 2 years.
Okay, that's good. For 2 years, you are trying to improve your English communications. Am I right?
Yeah,
Okay. Where are you from, sir?
I am from Bihar.
Okay, you are from Bihar. Oh, that's good.
I live in a rural area.
You also living in rural area, okay? But you are really very great. You also trying to improve English communication. I really appreciate to you.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you have any kind of problem, you can ask me.
Yeah, so ma'am, so I always watch your video on the YouTube. So I want to ask to you some questions about me. So can you tell me without vocabulary how can I improve my English?
Okay. So your question is without vocabulary, you can improve English communication. Am I right? Okay. So you can improve English communication by vocabulary. It's really very necessary part. You know, if you want to learn English vocabulary, so by English vocab, you can grow your personality. You can increase your level while the conversation in English. So vocabulary is really very important part. Okay? Surajji, please unmute the mic.
Okay. And second questions I want to ask to you. So how can read the newspaper first times English newspapers? So I have no any vocabulary. So how can read these newspapers?
Okay, yeah, of course you also can read the paper. First of all, you just take paper and don't focus here and there. You just focus on the paper while the reading sections, because this is the main part of reading. Okay, whenever you just try to read the paper at that time, you just forget to everything. Who's next to you? Your parents, your sister, your sibling, your partner, everyone. You just forgot to everyone. And you just reading on the paper and you just focus only on the reading sections. You just think that right now my reading section is start, so I will read only with my paper. So in my room only two persons are there. One is you, second is your paper. Okay?
Yeah. So can you tell me, ma'am, so how did you improve your English?
Yeah, of course I will tell you. First of all, I want to tell you about the reading sections. You know, whenever you just read the paper at that time, you have a lot of difficult words. So please, you just take green sketch color and just underline. Whenever you just notice hard word like new vocabulary and difficult vocab, so just write, you just underline, okay, while the reading paper. And after the reading section, you just search on the Google about them, what is the pronunciation, correct pronunciation. Second is you just notice what is the meaning of that word. Okay? And okay, so this is the reading sections, and you just asking to me how to improve the English communication. Am I right? Yeah. So it is, it is really very easy task to improve the English communications.
Yeah.
By the reading, by the writing, watching, listening, and speaking. By 5 steps, you can improve your English communications. Okay?
Yeah. So can you tell me 5 steps So I am also I will also follow this rule. So can you tell me 5 steps? What is the?
Yeah, sure, why not? Actually, I already told and I already mentioned in my second video how to attract to people in English. But still, I will tell you again, okay? You just start the reading process, writing process,
Yeah.
and watching and listening, and five main important part is speaking. Okay? You just do everything only 10 minutes. 10 minutes you just read, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes watching, 10 minutes speaking. Okay?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, but ma'am, whenever I start to speak in English, that time so I hesitated and I cannot speak, so I cannot use properly vocabulary. So this vocabulary how can use and one times, so I can I forget vocabulary. Remember vocabulary I forget.
Okay. I just give you example. While the conversation, first of all, you are really very hesitate, and still you also hesitating. You know why? Because of lack of practice. If you do practice daily, every 5 steps, so of course you also can gain confidence day by day.
Yeah.
Okay. Second thing is, why have you hesitate? Because of you just thinking before the communications, before you are speaking, you just thinking about you. No, I'm not perfect. I am loser. My English is really very big. I cannot speak to I cannot speak in front side of everyone, because you're just thinking about you, that you are nothing, you are loser, you are weakness in English. That's why don't be think. You just think while the communications that you just thinking while the communications that you can do everything, because you are beginner. So it's happen with you while communications you are sometimes feel hesitations. Okay, but don't be think that you just while the communication in the beginning of time you just start without any hesitations, and you just think about you that you are beginner, you can improve because you are beginner, and of course you also can try to improve your English communication. So don't be hesitate and don't be shy while the conversation. You just try to speak more and more in English. Okay?
Yeah. So many times I am practice on these apps, and I have two groups, and rich mindset and poor mindset group. So I am also trying to speak in English any person. So every day I talk with any person on this group.
Mhm.
But sometimes I am not more time speak anyone in English. So my vocabulary is not strong more. So I want to improve. I want to remember more vocabulary. So how is this possible? So I 15 words vocabulary and 15 words daily I remember. But one after that I forget all and 2, 3 and 5 vocabulary I remember. Yeah.
Okay, I just give you example, and you can easily learn all vocabulary. You have no need to 15, 20, 50, 100 vocabulary learn. You just notice only 5 vocabulary daily. 5.
Okay.
You just learn 5 vocabulary daily. How? You have no need to learn, I promise to you. How? I will tell you. You just do one thing, you just make one copy and you just write 5 difficult words, 5 new vocab which you learnt every day while the reading of newspaper. And you just write down on your notepad. And after that you just will click a pic of vocabulary and do one thing after the click image, you just set the wallpaper on your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Vocabulary word of pick you just set on your profile on the phone. By this process, what will happen? You just whenever you just using your phone at that time, your vocabulary automatically in front side of you, and you have no need to learn because mostly mostly you using phone by your side. Whenever you just try to speak someone on the call, of course you also take phone. And of course whenever you just trying to use your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Insta, everything is doing by you on the phone. So whenever you just take phone, and of course that vocabulary in front side of you automatically, because you also set profile on the phone, and by the profile you also read one time. So by this thing you can learn easily. Second thing is, while the speaking conversation, and of course you also can use that new vocabulary daily. Are you getting my point?
Okay, ma'am. I am getting your point.
That's good.
So can you tell me, so grammar is important and grammar is necessary to learn English and not learning, and grammar is not necessary for learning.
Okay. So according to your question is, grammar is important or not? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
My question is, grammar is important to learn English is not important.
Okay. So grammar is no need to necessary, but it is the main part of English communications. If you want to speaking, so by speaking you have no need to learn grammar portion, but you want to type messages, you want to type email messages, you want to write a letter from your office to boss. So of course this is the really very necessary to know about the grammar portions. By the grammar portions you can give the messages right.
Okay.
If you're doing writing work, a lot of writing work, so grammar is necessary. But if you want to only speaking, so of course it's really not necessary. But you have no knowledge of ABC of grammar. I give you example. You are a boy. Okay? You are a boy and you are a doctor. I want to say, you are a boy. I just simple sentence to you that you are a boy. Everyone know that you are a boy and I am a girl. Am I right?
Okay.
But अगर मैं
You are right.
but if I say that I am a girl, but what do I do? What do I do? So of course I teach. I will not say that I will teach. Yeah, I teach. If I have knowledge, so of course, according to of ABC of knowledge, I can give you messages right. That I am teacher and I teach in school. I teach first to fifth primary standard students, and my subject is math. So I teach math.
Yeah.
But you don't know about the present, past, future. How can you tell that you talk about the present, you just talk about the future, and you just talk about the past, which you passed, okay?
Yeah. So I have one last question to you, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
How can think in English many times? So I think in Hindi. So thinking level how can develop in my mind?
Okay, thinking level developed. Okay, you can increase your thinking power. You can increase your thinking power by efforts. Whenever you're just trying to thinking in English, whenever you're just trying to speaking in English, whenever you're just trying to writing in English, whenever you're just trying to reading in English, whenever you're just trying to any kind of thing in English, at that time it's automatically work in your mind. it is automatically processed in your mind. Thinking process, it's automatically. But you know, you do, you will have to do everything in English. Suppose you have a mood to watch a cartoon movie, a Bollywood movie, a serial, a cartoon, any kind of news. If you prefer to watch in English, so of course it's automatically enhanced in your mind of knowledge, thinking in English. Okay?
Yeah, you are right, man. For 6 months, I have no any study, so I want to, I can speak with any persons on the audio callings and front of the. But that times I have a lot of knowledge in English, so I can speak with any persons in English. So English is not very difficult any one persons. And if you want to, if I will do hard work, so this is possible for anyone, and this is possible for any language.
Yeah.
So without practice, you can do anything.
Yeah, you are saying right. Without any efforts, you can't.
Yeah.
But I will give you promise to you. I will promise to you that you have no need to hard work. If you want to improve your English communication, so you have no need to hard work. I want only one thing: whatever you do by you. Suppose you just watching, so of course you just try. Don't be change your taste for listening, for watching, for reading, for speaking. Don't be change anything in your life if you want to learn English language. But you just change your language. That means
Yeah.
you just that means
I also watch every day English movie,
That's
and
good.
my English will be slowly.
Okay.
And if I will definitely I will speak in English one day without hesitation. So I am believe on myself.
wow, that's good. Yeah, that's good. So you know, this is a thing. You have no need to hard work. You have no need to any kind of extra efforts. Whatever you doing by you, you just change only language. Everything you can do, but into the English language. Okay?
So yeah, everyone student in this time so want to learn English, but they don't hard work, and they want to learn English, but they don't hard work. Without hard work, you cannot do anything.
Exactly.
So if you want to learn English, so you can follow these rules according to spoken and spoken. So how can improve your English? So without hard work, you cannot do anything.
Exactly.
So every student ask me, so how can I improve my English? So your English is very good. So if I also want to learn English. So can you suggest me? So how is this possible? So to learn English and not possible. Yeah.
Yeah, of course, everything is possible. If you want, of
Yeah.
course you can. Everything. It's really necessary to create passionate in your heart.
Yeah.
So passion is really very necessary.
First, create your passion.
Exactly.
Your passion should be good, and after that, you will work and you will give your time 100% on this
Exactly.
work.
Exactly. You have no need any kind of thing, but in you, passion is bright. Of course you can. But without any passion, without any madness, craziness, you can't. So passionate is really necessary. Any kind of questions you have, Surajji?
No, ma'am. So thank you for all questions to answer to give me. So and I also watch your video on the YouTube, and every video I watch per day half
Okay.
hour. So yeah, so I am talking video callings with you first time.
Okay.
So
That's good.
okay, please watching in this time. So uh, if you want to learn, if you really want to learn English, so you can join my groups and English improve skills. And
That's good.
I want to send my a message for all everyone.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, of course. I hope your WhatsApp group is continues really very in a right way. And of course, you also can give a lot of knowledge by the WhatsApp group. I really appreciate it to you.
Okay.
But I want to know one thing, Surajji, that is it easy? Is it easy that suppose if you notice on the English speaking course, a book of English speaking course, and that book is also in a front page of that you can learn in 90 days. What do you think about
Yeah,
it?
you are right.
What do you think about it?
Yeah, so 19 days, this is not possible, man. So you can learn 90 between 19 days. You can learn English language. This is not possible. I am not accepting this method. So depend on your practice. So you will be practice more than more, and you will learn, and you will learn anything more than more. Develop, and so every one person saying me so 40 you can improve your English, between 45 days you can improve your English. So this is not possible. So you don't know grammars, and you don't know tense and voice and narration. So this is not possible. So you should your grammar should be good, and after that you can do this. So you can learn this language. 45 days you can learn this language.
Okay. And if I will say that you can do everything, but first of all, what is necessary in you? Patience. By the passion, you can do everything. I want to know one thing. That a lot of person asking to me, ma'am, it is really easy that we also can learn within 1 month, within 2 months, within 3 months. We also can learn. How can I speak in English within only 90 days? So that time, I also must say one thing, and that everyone, mostly all students has a subject of English. Am I right? And that students also can learn nursery, LKG, KG, and first to 12th. Okay, first to 12th also English subject, and after 12th BA, BCom, BSc, and they are also pursuing English subject. Am I right?
Yeah, you are right.
That means nursery, LKG, KG, 3 years, and first to 12th, 12 years. That means 12 plus 3, 15, and 3 years is BA, BCom, BSc. That means 18 years you also doing English. But still anybody cannot speak in English. You know why?
Okay, ma'am. So in this time, my mobile is not charged. So I will use.
Oh my God.
Later.
Okay. It's okay. Have a great good day. Yeah, Surajji, thank you so much to asking me a lot of query, and of course that query should be really very beneficial for the beginner. Thank you so much and have a great good day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good day. Yeah, nice to meet you too. इसका या अब पहले देखना वो रिकॉर्ड हो जाए, डिलीट ना हो जाए.
Hello, this is Richa. Welcome to my channel, Awesome Blossom English Learner. So, you also noticed something. I also shared with you a conversation, and that conversation with Suraj, and that person is from Bihar. I just shared to you that I also shoot a video with that person, because that person a lot of messages to me that, ma'am, I want to ask a lot of query. Can I ask? and the time, okay, I just will give you a chance, and you also can ask me, and you also can meet me on the video call. So if you want to ask me same like as Suraj, so of course you also can continue with me. How? You also messages, you also can messages on the comment box, and of course if you have any kind of query, you also can ask me. Okay, so you will have to like my channel, and of course you will messages that you have a lot of query. Of course I will share with randomly person. I will take only 3 person randomly, and of course I will give chance to talk with me as a live. Okay, bye, have a great, and don't forget to keep social distancing, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you will subscribe. And of course it's really very good for me and good for you as well as everyone. So thank you so much guys, and keep stay and healthy. Bye, have a great good day.